What's good, YouTube? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, let me just say, buying these clothing, it was an experiment. I've never bought anything from AliExpress before, so I was on the website one day and I saw some stuff for like $1, $2, $3 tops, and I decided, like, why not just give it a try? So I gave it a try, like I said, and lo and behold, I got some decent, very decent clothing, because like I was expecting some shitty material, but let me tell you, I really like them, so I decided to just share that with y'all. So I'm going to just go on ahead and share with you the few stuff that I bought for my experiment. That's it from me in today's video. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also, follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.